Hey, you are welcome to today's lesson. And today we have simultaneous equation word problems. So we have the first question on the board. A certain number is formed of 2 digits. Its value equals 4 times the sum of its digits. If 27 is added to it, the sum is this number obtained by interchanging the digits. What is the number? Solution. Let the number be x1, because since we are told that it's formed of 2 digits. And remember that here, it means that x is the 10th digit, while y is the unit digit. So this can also be expressed as 10x plus y. Now, we are told that this value equals 4 times the sum of its digits. So that means this is equal to 4 brackets x plus y. So let us simplify further. And that is 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y. So to go further, we have 10x plus, or we bring together the like terms, 10x minus 4x plus y minus 4y is equal to 0. Bringing everything back, and that is 9x minus 3x equal to 0. That's subtracting. Sorry, this one should be 6x, not 4. That's 10 minus this 4. This and this will give us 3. You break it down further, you have 2x minus y equal to 0. That is dividing through by 3. So we can call this equation 1. Now, it said if 27 is added to it, the sum is the number obtained by interchanging the digits. So if we have 10x plus y plus 27 is equal to, interchanging the digits means y becoming the 10th digit, yx becoming the unit digit. So if you interchange, it will now be 10y plus x. But it says if 27 is added to it, the sum is the number obtained by interchanging the digits. As I said earlier, to interchange, it means it will now be yx. And if it is yx, the 10th digit, that means it's now 10y plus x. And that is what we have here. So to move on, you simplify from here. We have 10x plus y plus 27 is equal to 10y plus x. Bringing everything together, we have a 10x minus x minus x plus y minus 10y plus 27 equal to 0, which can also express, reducing it is 9x here minus 9y equal to taking 27 to the other side equal to minus 27. And we know that you can reduce by dividing through by 9. That's x minus y equal to minus 3. So we can call this equation 2. And bringing the two equations together, we have 2x minus y equal to 0. And then x minus y equal to minus 3. Then we can subtract. And that will give us x. This will now change to 0. It's equal to, this will change to equal to 3. So if x is equal to 3, substitute in any of the equations, either equation 1 or 2. So going back to equation 1, from 1, 2x minus y is equal to 0. Taking that our x is now 3, to substitute, that's 2 bracket 3 minus y equal to 0. And that means 6 minus y is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 6. Because taking y to the other side, y now becomes 6. Therefore, the number, let's come back. From there, let's come back here. Therefore, the number xy is equal to 36. Because our x is 3, our y is 6. So this is the number, and that is the value or the answer to the, that is the answer to the question. So we're now going over to number 2. Number 2, a student can buy 3 biros and 5 pencils for 90 naira, and he can buy 4 biros and 10 pencils for 140 naira. Find the price of a biro and a pencil. Now we start. Okay. Let's cost of the biro equal to X naira, while the cost of a pencil equal to Y naira. Now, if that is the case, combining the two, we have a 3x plus 5y equal to 90. I call this equation 1. While in the second one, we have 4x plus 10y equal to 140. So here we simplify to find the values of x and y. And if that is the case, first of all, we can reduce second equation by dividing through by 2. So in that one, we have a 4x plus 2y, plus 10y equal to 140. If you divide through by 2, that will give us 2x plus 5y equal to 70. So we can now take this as equation 3. Now, bringing them together, bringing them together, we have 3x plus 5y equal to 90. Then from equation 3, 2x plus 5y is equal to 70. Now we can subtract this equation 1. This is can subtract equation 3 from equation 1. And if you do that, we have x is equal to 90 minus 70, which will give us 20. So it means that the cost of a biro is 20 naira. Okay, substituting back from 1, 3x plus 5y, 90. You substitute the value of x, and that means 3 brackets 20 plus 5y equal to 90. And then that will give us 60 plus 5y equal to 90. Therefore, 5y is 90 minus 60, which will give us 30. If 5y is 30, divide through by 5, that will give us y is equal to 30 over 5, which is 6. So it means that, therefore, cost of a biro is equal to 20 naira, while cost of a pencil is equal to 6 naira. So that means a biro costs 20 naira and a pencil costs 6 naira. And that is the end of number 2. We're going to number 3. We have this question. In 4 years' time, a father will be 3 times as old as his son will be. 4 years ago, he was 5 times as old as his son was. Find their present ages. Solution. Now, according to the question, in 4 years' time. So we start by saying, let the present age of the father equal to x, while the present age of the son equal to y. Now, but we are told that in 4 years' time, that is, and that means in 4 years' time, a father will be 3 times. So, means that x plus 4, that's if you add 4 years to the father's age, it will be equal to 3 times that of the son. 3 brackets y plus 4. Because you have to add 4 to both of them. And we open the bracket, you have x plus 4 equal to 3y. 3y plus 12. 3 times y and 3 times 4. So bringing them together, we are now going to have x minus 3y plus 4, or bringing letters together and ordinary numbers together, x minus 3y will be equal to 12 minus 4. And that means that x minus 3y is equal to 8. I'll call this equation 1. And then going over to the other part of it, it said 4 years ago, 4 years ago means you are removing 4 years from each of them. So x minus 4 will be 5 brackets y minus 4. That is, you remove 4 years from the present age of the father and 4 years from the present age of the son. So open the bracket, you have x minus 4 equal to 5y minus 20. As if you multiply. As usual, bring them together, giving us x minus 5y equal to this 4 going to the other side. That will give us minus 20 plus 4. So we're now going to have x minus 5y is equal to minus 16. Well, we can call this equation 2. Sorry, equation 2. Okay, bringing them together now, we have x minus 3y is the same thing as this. Then x minus 5y is equal to minus 16. Okay, subtracting 2 from 1, it will be, you are subtracting, this will give us 0. This negative will affect this. And then you now have plus 5 minus 3. So this will give us 2y is equal to, again, you check, you'll discover that this one, this will change this to positive, and that means 8 now plus 16 instead of subtraction. And that will give us 22. So if 2y is equal to 22, 22 or 20, sorry, that should be 24, please. 24. Okay. So in that case, we divide both sides by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 24 all over 2. And that is 12. So that is 12. Okay, from here, we now substitute. So we can continue from question 1. You know that x minus 3y is equal to 8. Now we are having our y to be 12. We substitute. That will give us x minus 3 bracket 12 equal to 8. And that is x minus 36 equal to 8. Bring them together. Therefore, x is equal to 8 plus 36. And that will give us 44. So coming back to conclude, coming back here to conclude, we have x is equal to 44, y is equal to 12. Therefore, the present age of the father is equal to 44 years, while the present age of the son equal to 12 years. And that is the end of the lesson. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you are free to put it in the comment section so that I'll look at it and maybe make another video in my subsequent lessons. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.